Is it time to buy or sell MicroAlgo stock? In this video, we will delve into MicroAlgo. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 5th of May, 2025, our system has identified MicroAlgo as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.5. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has seen a decline of 81.95%. This equates to an average daily loss of -1.78% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decline is likely. The recent 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of approximately 70% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a complete loss to about 76% gain. In the longer term, our analysis over the past 12 months suggests a projected decline of around 51%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could vary from a total loss to over 1,178% gain over the next year. In current terms, this would mean the future price could fall anywhere between $0 and $9.18. Our latest daily update for MicroAlgo includes the headline, "Volatile Ride for MicroAlgo Inc. Stock Price on Thursday Moving Between 69 cents and 88 cents. The MicroAlgo Inc. stock price fell by 6.73% on the last day, Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, from 77 cents to 71 cents. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 27.54% from a day low at 69 cents to a day high of 88 cents. The price has been experiencing ups and downs during this period, with a total gain of 17.43% over the last 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day alongside the stock, which is actually a good sign since volume should generally follow the stock's movement. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 79 million shares, resulting in a total of 48 million shares bought and sold for approximately $34.59 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $117.20, while the lowest price was 50 cents. Currently, the price is 99.39% or $116.48 below the 52-week high, and 99.99% or $14,299.28 below the all-time high on December 13th, 2022, when the price reached $14,300. MicroAlgo Inc., traded under the ticker MLGO, has recently made significant strides in quantum technology that could greatly impact its market position. On the 7th of July, the company announced the development of a Grover-based quantum algorithm aimed at identifying pure Nash equilibria in graphical games. This advancement not only represents a substantial contribution to quantum research, but also revives interest in game theory applications, potentially attracting new partnerships and investments. Earlier developments include the integration of quantum image algorithms with encryption technology, which enhances the security of information transmission, as well as the adoption of quantum phase estimation methods to optimize quantum neural network training. These advancements suggest a broader strategy for MicroAlgo to lead in various quantum applications, including image processing, security, and machine learning. In April, the company reported strong financial results for 2024, showcasing notable growth in net income alongside increased revenues. This financial stability lays a solid foundation for further research and development initiatives. The short-term implications of these announcements may lead to increased investor confidence, potentially driving up stock prices as enthusiasm for cutting-edge technology grows. In the long term, continued innovations could position MicroAlgo as a key player in the expanding quantum computing sector, likely resulting in sustained growth in market valuation. Analysts have assigned MicroAlgo stock a general buy rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as strong buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. The following signals have been identified for MicroAlgo. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, June 30th, 2025, and so far, the stock has risen by over 41%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. However, some negative signals have emerged, which may impact short-term developments. The stock of MicroAlgo Inc. currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. With the long-term average positioned above the short-term average, this creates an overall sell signal for the stock, suggesting a more negative outlook. As the stock continues to gain, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $1.01. Should the stock decline, it will find some support from the short-term average at 64.6 cents. A breakout above the long-term average will trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the current overall signal. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk, since volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence. Buy signal. Pivots. Buy signal from 8 days ago. Bollinger. Buy signal from 283 days ago. Short-term moving average. Buy signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average. Buy signal from 57 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 56 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 50 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal from 39 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss from MicroAlgo. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at 660 thousandths and 633 thousandths. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, MicroAlgo Inc. finds support just below today's level at 660 thousandths. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at 633 thousandths and 620 thousandths. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicated by its volatility. And with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved 190 thousandths between its high and low, which is a change of 27.54%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 23.53%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for MicroAlgo, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate that the market has low expectations for the company's future, or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroAlgo. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroAlgo is at $0.720. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a potential point for swing trading. On the downside, MicroAlgo faces its first support level at $0.660. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroAlgo from multiple analyst sources indicates a recommendation to buy. The most recent insider trade for this stock dates back more than 3 months. The latest transaction occurred on the 30th of September, 2024, when SBI Securities Company Limited executed an insider purchase of 0 shares. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is MicroAlgo stock a good buy? MicroAlgo Inc. currently shows several negative signals, and we believe it will likely continue to perform weakly over the next few days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After assessing the recent volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be undervalued. For trading on Friday, July 11th, we anticipate that MicroAlgo will open higher by approximately 4.45 cents and begin trading at around 76.3 cents. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.